Girls, as promised, today we're creating a marble design, although it may not be entirely marble, but more like an imitation of the texture of pink quartz. I'll show you how to transfer the texture correctly so that it comes out just right. And also, I'll share what not to do. The design will be very delicate, so stay tuned till the end. We apply 3 colors on the palette. The main color, which should be the most abundant, and then add white and milky colors on the edges. After that, we mix them together using an orange stick. My nails are already prepared for the application, and I'm going to coat them with a thin layer of base to ensure that the texture spreads beautifully. To apply the texture, we need a flat, wide brush. We load the texture onto the brush like a palette knife, and then, without pressing the brush down, transfer the texture in the air. If you want the texture to be more vibrant, add more white and mix the texture with a maximum of 3 strokes. This way, the colors won't blend too much, and the texture will be more distinct. However, if you want the texture to be subtle, you only need a tiny amount of white. After transferring the texture, we fill in the empty spaces with pink base. It's crucial to tilt the finger since there is enough material and it may overflow everywhere if there is space. Then we cure it in the lamp for 2.5 minutes. We repeat the same process on the other fingers, loading the texture onto the brush and transferring it to the nail. We refine the texture with a fine brush and then cure it. Now, I'll demonstrate the correct and incorrect ways to transfer the textures. We apply the chosen colors, mix them with an orange stick, and load the brush with the mixture. Pay close attention to how the brush enters the material like a palette knife, and you can already see the texture on the brush. Now, gently and lightly transfer the texture as if pouring it out. This needs to be done very gently, without pressing down on the brush, and the texture will come out smoothly. Now I'll show you the incorrect way. It may seem like I have the material and the texture visible, but watch as I apply it. I make chaotic and abrupt movements with strong pressure, which causes the colors to mix and the texture disappears. That's where the magic lies, doing it gently and without unnecessary pressure. Next, I'm adding some gold, especially on these light shades. It looks like something shiny is needed to complement the design. I apply a little gold on both sides. Then I cover the nails with the top coat and cure them for 2 minutes. Also, don't forget to turn your hand over to ensure the top coat spreads evenly and beautifully. Here comes a little bit of editing magic and ta-da! Trust me, it's worth watching. This is undoubtedly the most delicate design I've created in a while. Words can't do it justice. It's pure delight for my eyes. Every detail looks exquisite, and in person, girls, it looks even better. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. I would really appreciate it. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more manicure content. Well, it was Anna, and until our next meeting, take care!